February 2023. Kristie here, and let's imagine you had the ability to get what you want to sell in front of millions of buyers with simple pins. Is it easy? If you have a quick receipt, it is. Want to have some fun? Grab a mocha and let's get started. The fun is about to begin, and of the focus record for your viewing pleasure when you have a few minutes to prove up to your feet. Introducing all new created to 923, a Canva pin mini class. You will laugh 50 minutes to an adorable animated and musical Pinterest pin. Unless the full potential of your Pinterest account with Canva pin design. Watch the video below to see what is all about. Imagine if you knew how to make an adorable animated pin that people loved to see and click to use them way to your website, your ebooks, your affiliate links, your shop, your whatever it's you are trying to make sales with. But first you have about 3 seconds to grab the attention of your visitors. This type of pin work great to attract your potential customers, like bean to honey. When the get is stuck on your pin, these adorable pins will take them to your links. Visitors, potential sales, searching. Show me the honey, I mean money, haha. What are you trying to sell? You need attractive marketing. Start with this quick 50 minutes Canva mini class. This working for me. Here's one video pin that took off. You will have fun that get a few mini views, but then when you get a winner, it is so worth making pins. Trust. This one has gotten 50,020 views. Make digital planners, and this one 54,619 views. Who digital product, how to make a digital panel to sell digital template. What if you could get your ebook, blog post, course, printable panel, website or service in front of millions of people of Pinterest, but you don't know how to make a quick IKC pin? Girl, Guys, I have got you covered. You can sit down and in 50 minutes have your one video spin cranking our views while you are sleeping, running to the black part of cooking dinner. Ready? Let's go. So let's recap what you will get. Video mini class, 2 free 2 pack PRL weekly trial printable. 3. The link to this adorable Canva musical and animation video pin. You will see how to make one of this. Press the play button to see. But hooray, the price rise with each sale. Introduction. On a video mini class, you will love 50 minutes to an adorable minute to musical Pinterest pin. 2 page PRL weekly printable. You can keep and resell it your link. 3. The link to the adorable Canva musical and animation video pin cover the secret to successful Pinterest marketing. Created eye-catching Canva pin like this and this, including this exact Canva template that you can use. Discover the secret to successful Pinterest marketing. Create eye-catching Canva pin like this and this, including this extra Canva template that you can use. Just think, you will never wonder again how those people on Pinterest make those adorable pins. Now your pins will stand out and get the clicks and views on your journey to make sales. Make it happen now. What is the secret to successful Pinterest marketing? Create eye-catching Canva pin like this. Hit that button and learn how to make it happen for your online business. Brand new to 2023 training revealed.